Yeah. Let's go. I said, all these egos need protection. Too much deflection. Can't face the truth. Candyman in that reflection. He on the gram flexing, but he from his payment away from collections. Me and legends keep connecting. My disciples are stepping. Be there in a minute. Receive a 3D printed that'll pass metal detection. So you don't wanna catch that interception. Leave a lasting impression. That's a blitz. Pockets get ripped. Friends gon' flip. See, that's a confession. I'm just trying to rap, happen to be that guy. Don't ask why. Holy flow, come get baptized. These cats on their last lives, let that slide. I get calls when y'all slip. Don't trip, I'm on a boat with the bait. Don't participate with the fish. Whose line is it anyway? What's the price on a pretty penny? Any day now it's getting pretty petty. Real slimy, Jalopy, baby. You know where to find me.
Jalopy, baby.
But whose line is it anyway? What's the price on a pretty penny? Any day now it's getting pretty petty. Real slimy, Jalopy, baby. You know where to find me. Whoa. Take it slow, whoa. I'm in control. Whoa. He in control, whoa.